Hello everybody, how are you? Warmly welcome back to Crochet Mart, very smart and unique ideas. Dear viewers, get ready for outstanding and unique type of crochet bags. We will share creative and inspiring tips for crocheting. Today's video is all about crochet bags. So we will try our best to show you unique and special type of collections. Dear viewers, if you still not subscribe the channel, please subscribe it now. Don't forget to press bell icon. If found it helpful, please must share this video so that your friends also can watch such type of unique and beautiful video. Crochet is a needle craft technique that involves using a hooked tool called a crochet hook to create fabric from yarn to thread. By pulling loops of yarn through other loops, crafters can make a variety of items such as clothing, accessories, home decor, and toys. Crochet patterns can range from simple stitches to intricate designs, making it a versatile and popular craft enjoyed by many.
Consiste en utilizar una herramienta con ganchuelo, llamada aguja de ganchillo, para crear tela a partir de hilo o hilo. Al tirar de bucles de hilo a través de otros bucles, los artesanos pueden hacer una variedad de artículos como ropa, accesorios, decoración del hogar y juguetes. Los patrones de ganchillo pueden variar desde puntos simples hasta diseños intrincados, lo que lo convierte en una manualidad versátil y popular que muchos disfrutan.
Unique design. Each crochet bag is often handmade, making it one of a kind. Eco-friendly. Using natural fibers or recycled materials reduce environmental impact. Versatility. Crochet bags can serve multiple purposes, from storage to fashion accessories. Durability. Properly made crochet bags can be strong and long-lasting. Customization. You can easily choose color, size, and patterns to match your decor. Lightweight crochet bags are generally lightweight, making them easy to carry. Breathable. Yarn allows air circulation, which can be beneficial for storing items. Textural appeal. The texture of crochet adds visual interest to a space. Easy to clean. Many crochet bags can be hand washed or spot cleaned. Cultural significance. Crochet can reflect cultural heritage and craftsmanship. Affordable, often cheaper than mass-produced bags, especially if made at home.
Si realmente te encanta ver este vídeo, suscríbete al canal. Si te resultó útil, debes compartir este vídeo para que tu amigo también pueda ver este tipo de vídeo único.
Seasonal decor can be made in seasonal color or theme for festive decoration. Educational. Learning to crochet can enhance fine motor skills and patience. Color coordination. Easy to match with exciting decor or theme. Portable craft. Crochet bags can be made while traveling, adding convenience. Charitable contributions. Crocheting bags for donation supports local charities. Comfort activity. The repetitive motion of crocheting can be meditative. Stylish statement. Crochet bags can be a fashion statement as well as decor. Community building. Joining crochet group fosters social connections. Adaptability can be designed for various purposes from market, totes or beach bags. Easy to personalize. Initials patterns can be added for individuality. Fashion trend. Crochet is often featured in current fashion trends.
Estos son algunos de los beneficios de usar bolsas de ganchillo para la decoración. Diseño único. Cada bolsa de ganchillo suele estar hecha a mano, lo que la hace única. Respetuoso con el medio ambiente. El uso de fibras naturales o materiales reciclados reduce el impacto ambiental. Versatilidad. Las bolsas de ganchillo pueden servir para múltiples propósitos, desde almacenamiento hasta accesorios de moda. Durabilidad. Las bolsas de ganchillo bien hechas pueden ser fuertes y duraderas. Personalización. Puede elegir fácilmente colores, tamaños y patrones para que combinen con su decoración. Ligeros. Los bolsos de ganchillo suelen ser ligeros, por lo que son fáciles de transportar. Transpirable. El hilo permite la circulación del aire, lo que puede ser beneficioso para almacenar artículos. Atractivo textural. La textura del ganchillo agrega interés visual a un espacio. Fácil de limpiar. Muchas bolsas de ganchillo se pueden lavar a mano o en las manchas.
Encourages sustainability. Promotes handmade over mass produced, encouraging a sustainable lifestyle. Therapeutic benefits. Crocheting can reduce stress and anxiety. Functional art combines practicality with artistic expressions. Light reflection can play with light and shadow, adding depth to decor. Fashion trends. Crochet is often featured in current fashion trends, keeping decor fresh. Easy to personalize. Initial patterns can be added for individuality.
Con el final feliz de hoy, el vídeo de nos encontraremos en el próximo vídeo con otras ideas muy inteligentes y únicas, así que mantente en contacto con Crochet Mart para ver más ideas de ganchillo. Cuídate, nos vemos.
With the happy ending today's video, hope we'll meet you in next video with another very smart idea. Keep in touch with our channel. Thank you very much for watching.